Ja, v bistvu sem prišla, da si poglobim vero s tem, ker vidim še toliko drugih mladih, ki imajo Boga toliko radi ali pa še bolj kot jaz, da pač ugotovim tudi, kako si jaz še želim napredovati v duhovnem življenju.
Da bi, tako kot Marija, z radostjo ponesti Božjo besedo v svet, zlasti tistim, ki so najbolj ubogi in najbolj osamljeni. Molimo Gospodu.
Videti vsa ta množica ljudi, krena kupa, res fascinantno.
Slovenske maše so mi ful pri srcu, sploh je tako 500 Slovencev.
Meni je zelo v navdih, da sem videla toliko veliko mladih, ki jim je vera tako pri srcu, da so poromali sem.
Zaenkrat je izkušnja kar nora.
Mi smo Kras Trsta!
Hello, my name is Yvette Fajardo and I am from Mexico, Tecate. I am really excited to be here and I feel really blessed to be here today. I think I've really grown in my faith and I think I'm learning a lot too and I'm really enjoying it.
We are here because we like the unity and the community.
We're all here to see the Pope and all the other nationalities, and it's so beautiful to see all these people. We are here because we are all Catholics and we wanted to experience something new.
Well, we enjoyed the opening mass, which was very crowded but very joyful for us to participate in. So yeah.
We love this experience, it's great. It is crazy, so many people believing in Christ. It's a really great experience to see so many young people are being happy with God and seeing how great it is.
It feels very good to interact with people from so many different countries. Only today I maybe talked with people from like all the way from New Zealand to America.
Parku Težo in čakamo na vigilijo, ki jo bo vodil papež.
Ja, bo čez 10 minut.
Ja, vmes imamo že program, pesmi, mi se pa kartamo.
Pa jemo pakete s hrano, ki smo dobili hrenovke.
Ja, vzdušje je pa fenomenalno.
Ja, super, toliko ljudi na kupu, krasno.
Res je, toliko mladih, ko smo skupaj. Super je.
Gracias por haber viajado, por haber caminado. Gracias por estar aquí.
Jezus!
Jezus! Jezus! Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!